Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel, Septerra18. I have some fun projects I want to share with you guys in this video. I did make a few paper laid embellishments and I thought this would be a great way to share with you what I made and also hopefully to give you some inspiration for yourself as well. And a couple of the projects that I'm going to show you will also be listed in my Etsy store, which I will put down below for you if you want to head over there and have a look at some of my other items and also the ones that I'm going to show you in this video. One of the other ones I'm going to show you, I did post it on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago, but I wanted to show you guys here as well for those that don't have Instagram. So the first one I'm going to share with you is this one here. I had so much fun making these. I did I did see these on Pinterest and also on Instagram, and they're like an arrow shaped wood pick embellishment. So this is my I guess my take on how I made mine. So I did use a wood pick and then I used some gold glitter cardstock and made it into a little arrow and adhered them to the wood pick on one end, and then on the top here I've just got here some crepe paper and rounded around the stick and just cut it up and made it into a little ruffle part on the top. Then I've got here some little paper strips I made into a flag banner shape and then wound it around to the back and then layered that up and then just embellished it. I placed a little tassel and then I finished off with some of my crochet trim. And these were really fun to make. I had a lot of enjoyment making them. This one here is another one with also the arrow shape on the bottom here. And I've got here using my word sentiment to finish off the embellishment. And this is a little pom-pom which I made into a little charm dangle and then a bead. Got here this one here. With this one here I didn't make it into an arrow shape. I used my heart punch and then just cut out two pieces and then glued them back to back onto the end of the wood pick. But I did the same thing and used some charms, a crochet trim and some crepe paper. These were so much fun to make, and the wood pick that I used were these ones here which I purchased from my variety store here locally near where I live, and these were just perfect to use and they were just a perfect height as well. It wasn't too short or too long. So this was one of my projects that I made, which was really fun, and I think they're great to add into Happy Mail as well. And the next one that I made were these corrugated cardboard embellishments which I made into little charm dangles with a tassel. These were also just really fun to make. I've had this corrugated like cardstock or cardboard paper for such a long time and I've just never knew what to do with it. So what I've done was I just punched it out, and the actual size of the circle is just under 2 inches. So this one here will be listed in my Etsy store if you would like to purchase these. I had a little tassel on the bottom and a little clasp on the end, so that's great to add onto the spine of your mini album or flipbook or junk journaling. It turned out really nice, and then I just paper laid it and again just finished it off with a word sentiment. So these ones here will be listed in my store, and you will get a random finished charm dangle. So you'll get a different print with a different color tassel on the bottom. Here's another one. And these would also look great if you wanted to add it onto a tag like I've got here, and then you can place this on your gift packaging, and then they get this as their little gift, and you can write your little note or your message to the back of the tag. I've got here a tassel, like some tulle just to finish off the tag, and I think that looks nice just like that. So if you do purchase this corrugated tassel dangle, it does come with a tag as well. So it'll come packaged like this with a random printed tag and a random printed tassel corrugated circle dangle with it. So that's how it'll come packaged. So it'll be a random pack. So you get one of these in the tag. And I'm just going to show you a few more of the other ones that I made. These were just so fun to make. I really had a lot of fun. Here's another one. Just show you a couple more. This is another one. And this is the last one here. So I just thought I'd show you this project, and I have another one here to show you. This one here, these were just little flag banner blank embellishments. Again, I just made these up, so they're blank. I just cut out 2 flag banner shapes of the same size and then laid it on top of the other one and placed a strip of printed paper on top. And these were also fun to make, and these are great also for you to add to your projects, and you can add on more embellishments to it, add a word sentiment. These will be in my Etsy store as well, and I thought, just to give you an idea, let me see what I've got here. So I've placed a little gold glitter cardstock little circle piece in the center there, just to sort of give it more sort of like more sparkle to the embellishment. And I thought it's also a great way to add into your gift packaging as well, like I've done here. So I've just punched a hole in the middle there of the gold glitter cardstock circle, and then I added another tag on the bottom that you could also write your little message or note, and then just wrapped it around some twine. And this is a craft coin envelope. So just to give you an idea what you could do with this, or you could also just add a little word sentiment to the top of your banner, and then you can add this to your other projects as well, or you can add this as a little dangle, or yeah, just to finish off a project. So this one here will also be in my store, and what you get, it'll be like a little kit. So you will get a random pack of 4 of these little flag banner paper laid blank embellishment. So you'll get a random 4 of those. You'll also get a random 4 of these larger sized banner shapes, and you can use these onto your other projects if you like. So they will come with 4 of those as well. And you can also, if you wanted to, you can punch a hole and then add that on the top, or you could adhere it together and then make this into another banner embellishment. Alright, so you get 4 of those, a random 4 prints of those, 4 of those. You also get, let's grab it over here, a random 6 of my word sentiments, and you can use these on this project or on your other projects. So you get 6 of these, again different word sentiments, and you'll also get 4 of these little round circle glitter cardstock as well. So if you wanted to, you can use it to add to the center here like I've done, or you can use this on other projects. I just thought it just gives it a little bit more sparkle to your banner if you wanted to, and then you just punch a hole there, and then you can then add it onto your project like I've got here. So this is how you'll get it in a kit, and I will have this listed in my store. So that's just a fun little project for you, and also just gives you an idea what you can do with it. So these are just my little project share for you, and I do hope you enjoyed this video or give you some inspiration, or if you would like to purchase this in my store. Again, all the details will be down below my video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all soon. Bye.